Welcome to Boston. No, HP. Nice move. Anyway, somebody going to say
Festival 3. Festival. Right, now me I go St. Mary and I'm going
Put on some festival.
Seven.
You know them, I just breadfruit now.
Carry back like a
Like me, my empire.
Yeah, man.
Boston. Now come. Straight in. On your right hand. Bumpy man. Right a CD. You know number one pan. Chicken sausage ready. You know already. Hot and ready chicken. See them there. Well pretty. Cooked to a bone. I tell you. Chicken sausage.
Sausage, okay.
Hot and ready. Man, them keep them in the fire.
So I just straight chicken.
Straight chicken.
Okay.
And chicken sausage.
And chicken sausage. Come on, yes, me I come from man. Just this. Tell the people them, man. I'm on the best this one. Authentic. What is it? Just chicken. Yeah. Chicken sausage. Yeah, man. I really like. Little sauce. Yeah. Marinate with little ketchup. With a little mild. Yeah.
One, me say, man. Number one. A bumpy sound. We're not trouble nobody.
Yeah?
And I back to them. Cane juice?
No, natural juice. Natural food. I'm Johnny Natural.
Make him taste the spring, you know?
You have a problem with that? Spirulina, top soy, color, maranga, and spinach. This is the big man in the business. This is the big world. Alright, hold it. Well, I'm going to put this for you because honestly, I'm going to give you that's partially that I'm telling you to deliver. That's the big thing. It's a juice bar. Finish that. Try passion fruit. Yes, the juice bar's right here.
Passion fruit. I'll soon talk to you though. Give me a minute.
Big ass man. 5 days.
Put that woman up on the camera. Put that woman up on the camera. So we can go see.
Fresh oysters, Okay, go with saltfish. If you miss it, you miss the national dish. Only a little piece of saltfish and you're good in the morning. Quick breakfast in the morning.
Like, subscribe, and don't forget to click the notification button. Hey yo, we always up to something.
Thank you for watching. Please leave a comment below. Remember to like and share the video. Don't forget to subscribe for more awesome content. Follow me on social media and check out the suggested videos on screen. This is Teach saying, until next time, walk good, my friends.